Right then, petrol heads. Today we're not talking about cars that go vroom vroom on the ground, we're talking about metal birds that go boom boom in the sky. Specifically two of the most badass fighter jets ever built, the American F-22 Raptor and the Russian MiG-35 Fulcrum-F. It's a clash of ideologies, a battle for air dominance. This, my friends, is the ultimate dogfight. First up, the F-22 Raptor. This is not just any fighter jet, it's the pride of American air superiority, a machine that represents decades of cutting-edge research, billions of dollars in investment, and the relentless pursuit of aerial dominance. The F-22 is the result of a vision: to create a fighter that could outfly, outfight, and outthink any adversary in the sky. When you see it on the runway, you're looking at the pinnacle of stealth technology and raw power, a jet that's as intimidating as it is beautiful. Imagine a great white shark with wings, that's the Raptor. Sleek, silent, and deadly, it glides through the air with a predatory grace. Its design is all about minimizing drag and maximizing speed, allowing it to slice through the sky at supersonic speeds without even breaking a sweat. The F-22 is not just fast, it's agile, able to twist and turn in ways that would leave most pilots gasping for breath. Its advanced flight controls and thrust vectoring engines give it the ability to outmaneuver almost anything else in the air. It's designed for one thing: stealthy, merciless kills. The F-22 is a master of invisibility, thanks to its angular shape and radar-absorbing skin. Enemy radars struggle to pick it up, and by the time they do, it's often too late. Underneath its sleek exterior, the Raptor is packed with two Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines, each capable of producing over 35,000 pounds of thrust. That means it can supercruise, fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, making it both fast and fuel-efficient. Its avionics suite is state-of-the-art, giving pilots a 360-degree view of the battle space and the ability to track, target, and destroy multiple enemies at once. It's like trying to spot a black cat in a coal cellar. Armed with a deadly array of missiles, the Raptor is a predator in the sky. It carries AIM-120 AMRAAMs for long-range kills, and AIM-9 Sidewinders for close-in dogfights, all tucked away in internal bays to maintain its stealth profile. The Raptor can sneak up on its prey, strike without warning, and disappear before anyone knows what happened. In a dogfight, it's a ghost, unseen, unheard, and utterly lethal. But it's not just about firepower. The F-22's sensors and electronic warfare systems allow it to jam enemy radars, evade missiles, and coordinate with other aircraft in a seamless digital network. Now meet the MiG-35 Fulcrum-F. Think of it as a Siberian tiger, ferocious and agile. The MiG-35 is Russia's answer to the world's most advanced fighters, a machine built for speed, maneuverability, and raw combat power. It's the latest evolution of the legendary MiG-29 family, a jet that's earned its stripes in conflicts around the globe. The MiG-35 is designed to operate in the harshest conditions, from frozen Siberian airfields to scorching desert runways. Its rugged construction and powerful engines make it a true workhorse of the Russian Air Force. It can't match the Raptor's stealth, but it's no slouch in a dogfight. The MiG-35 is nimble, capable of pulling off insane maneuvers that would make your head spin. Its thrust vectoring engines and fly-by-wire controls allow it to perform high-G turns, rapid rolls, and sudden climbs that can shake a pursuer off its tail in an instant. Russian pilots are trained to push their jets to the limit, and the MiG-35 is built to take that punishment. In close-quarters combat, it's a whirlwind of motion, darting and weaving through the sky with the reflexes of a wild animal. Plus, it's got a bag of tricks, including long-range missiles and a powerful radar system. The MiG-35 can carry a wide variety of weapons, from air-to-air missiles to precision-guided bombs, making it a versatile threat on any battlefield. Its Zhuk AESA radar can track multiple targets at once, even in the face of heavy electronic jamming. The MiG-35 is also equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems, infrared search and track sensors, and helmet-mounted sights that let pilots lock onto targets just by looking at them. In the hands of a skilled pilot, the MiG-35 is a force to be reckoned with, a jet that combines Russian engineering with the instincts of a predator. In the ultimate showdown between the American Raptor and the Russian Bear, it's not just about technology, it's about tactics, training, and the will to win. Strap in and get ready because we're about to dive into the heart-pounding world of Digital Combat Simulator, or DCS for short. If you've ever wondered what it's like to be a modern fighter pilot, this is as close as you can get without actually climbing into a real jet. DCS is renowned for its realism, from the intricate cockpit controls to the physics of flight, and the split-second decisions that can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Today we're not just playing a game, we're stepping into the boots of a top-tier pilot where every move counts and the stakes feel sky-high. Imagine the scene. It's a perfect day for flying, with the Black Sea stretching out beneath us like a vast, sparkling mirror. The sky is a flawless blue, the kind that makes you want to climb higher and push your jet to the limit. There's a sense of calm up here, but every pilot knows that peace can shatter in an instant. The radio crackles, the engines hum, and somewhere out there danger is lurking just beyond the horizon. Our story centers on Maverick, an elite F-22 Raptor pilot with nerves of steel and lightning-fast reflexes. As he cruises at altitude, his eyes flick between the endless blue outside and the glowing radar display inside his cockpit. Suddenly, a faint blip appears on the screen. An unidentified aircraft, closing in fast. Maverick's training kicks in. He narrows his focus, analyzing the contact's speed and heading. This is no routine patrol anymore. It's about to get real. The threat is confirmed. A MiG-35, call-sign Cyclone, slicing through the sky with aggressive intent. Cyclone is no rookie, he's a seasoned adversary, known for his bold tactics and razor-sharp flying. The MiG's engines roar as it closes the distance, weaving through the clouds with predatory precision. Maverick knows he's up against a formidable foe, and the adrenaline starts to surge. Both pilots lock onto each other almost simultaneously. The cockpit is filled with the urgent beeping of target acquisition, and Maverick's heart pounds in his chest. In these moments, time seems to slow down. Every muscle tenses, every sense sharpens. The air is thick with anticipation. So thick you could slice it with a knife. This is the ultimate test of skill, nerve, and technology, where only one will come out on top. Maverick doesn't hesitate. With a steady hand, he squeezes the trigger and shouts, "Fox 3! Fox 3!" The AIM-120 AMRAAM missile leaps from the wing, streaking toward its target with deadly intent. The roar of the launch fills the cockpit, and Maverick's training takes over as he prepares for the next move. This is what separates the best from the rest, the ability to act decisively under pressure. The AMRAAM is a fire-and-forget weapon, a marvel of modern engineering. Once launched, it guides itself, allowing Maverick to break away and maneuver for safety. He banks hard, pulling G's as he watches the missile's progress on his display. Cyclone, meanwhile, is fighting for his life, deploying countermeasures and jinking through the sky. In this high-stakes dance, every second counts and the outcome hangs in the balance. This is aerial combat at its most intense, where technology, skill, and sheer willpower collide at the speed of sound. But Cyclone isn't a sitting duck. He pops flares, trying to confuse the heat-seeking missile. He throws his MiG-35 into a high G-turn, the forces threatening to tear him from his seat. The AMRAAM screams past, narrowly missing its target. Now it's Cyclone's turn. He fires off a volley of R-77 missiles, their own radar guidance systems homing in on Maverick's Raptor. Maverick dives for the deck, hugging the earth as tightly as possible, using every hill and valley to mask his position from enemy radar. The ground rushes by in a blur beneath his cockpit, the altimeter needle trembling as he skims just above the treetops. Every second counts as he threads his way through the landscape, hoping the terrain will break the enemy's lock. The roar of the engines is deafening, but Maverick's focus is absolute. He knows that one mistake could mean the end. Suddenly, warning lights flash, missiles inbound. Maverick jinks and weaves, throwing his jet into a series of violent, unpredictable maneuvers. He banks hard left, then snaps right, pulling G-forces that threaten to blur his vision. The sky is alive with contrails as Russian missiles streak past, narrowly missing his wingtips. He deploys flares and chaff, each countermeasure a desperate attempt to break the missile's lock. The cockpit shakes with turbulence, but Maverick's hands are steady on the stick. One by one he manages to evade the deadly projectiles, but the danger is far from over. Out of the swirling chaos, Cyclone appears, his Russian adversary, piloting the agile MiG-35. Cyclone is relentless, closing the distance with every second, his cannons blazing in short, controlled bursts. The air is filled with tracer fire and the thunder of engines as the two jets twist and turn in a deadly ballet. Maverick feels the pressure mounting, knowing that Cyclone is one of the best. The Raptor, with its superior speed and cutting-edge stealth technology, surges forward in a burst of afterburner. Maverick pushes the throttle to the stops, feeling the jet leap ahead as he tries to put distance between himself and the pursuing Fulcrum. The landscape blurs beneath him, but Cyclone is not so easily shaken. Maverick knows he can't rely on speed alone. He needs to outthink his opponent. But Cyclone is like a fly that won't go away, matching every move with uncanny precision. The MiG-35's agility is on full display as Cyclone mirrors Maverick's every maneuver, refusing to be shaken off. The Russian pilot's persistence is unnerving, his jet glued to Maverick's six, never giving an inch. It's a test of nerves, skill, and endurance, one that neither pilot is willing to lose. Cyclone sticks to Maverick's tail like glue, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Every second Maverick can feel the crosshairs tightening, the pressure mounting. The sky becomes a chessboard, each pilot anticipating the other's next move. Maverick knows he must dig deep, relying on every ounce of training and instinct to survive this deadly dance. The battle between the Raptor's raw power and the Fulcrum's nimble agility is just beginning. The fight rages on, a blur of missiles, flares, and near misses, but in the end, it's the Raptor's stealth and superior technology that win the day. Maverick, using his advanced radar and targeting system, gets a clean lock on Cyclone's MiG-35. He unleashes another AMRAAM, and this time there's no escape. The missile slams into its target, sending a fiery explosion across the digital sky. So, what did we learn from this digital dogfight? Well, it's not just about brute strength. The MiG-35 proved it could hold its own, even against a more advanced opponent. Skill, tactics, and a bit of luck still play a crucial role in air combat. But the future of air combat is changing. Drones, hypersonic weapons, and advanced electronic warfare are rewriting the rules of engagement. Will stealth and speed be enough in this new era? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure. Being a fighter pilot, whether you're flying a Raptor or a Fulcrum, is one of the most demanding and exhilarating jobs on the planet. It requires nerves of steel, lightning-fast reflexes, and a healthy dose of "don't mess with me" attitude. So if you think you've got what it takes, sign up. Just try not to crash any multi-million-dollar jets in the process. Cheers!